Ice cream is one of the most loved desserts in the world. But have you ever wondered how ice cream is made on such a large scale? Today, we are taking you inside a modern ice cream factory where thousands of ice creams are produced every single day using advanced machines, strict hygiene, and precise quality control. Let's begin the journey from raw ingredients to the final frozen treat. Raw ingredients arrival. The process starts with fresh raw ingredients. Milk and cream arrive at the factory in large refrigerated tanks to maintain freshness and safety. Sugar, stabilizers, and flavoring ingredients are stored separately in clean, controlled environments. Before anything is used, each ingredient is carefully inspected and tested to meet strict quality standards. Only approved ingredients move forward into production. Measuring and mixing. Once approved, ingredients are measured with high precision. Exact quantities are essential to achieve the perfect taste and texture of ice cream. Fresh milk and cream are poured into large stainless steel mixing tanks. Sugar and stabilizers are added gradually. Powerful mixers blend everything together, creating a smooth liquid mixture known as the ice cream base. At this stage, the mixture still looks like flavored milk. The mixture is pasteurized. This means it is gently heated to kill harmful bacteria without affecting flavor or quality. The mixture flows through closed pipes into pasteurization units under controlled temperatures. This step is critical for food safety and ensures the ice cream is safe to consume. Here, fat particles are broken down into tiny sizes to create a smooth and creamy texture. This process prevents separation and gives ice cream its rich, uniform consistency. The result is a perfectly blended ice cream base. The mixture is now rapidly cooled and stored in large insulated tanks. It is left to rest for several hours in a process called aging. During this time, proteins and stabilizers fully activate. This step improves creaminess and helps the ice cream hold air during freezing. Adding flavors and colors. Now comes the exciting part, flavoring. Natural and artificial flavors such as vanilla, chocolate, or fruit are added to the ice cream base. For fruit flavors, real fruit purees may be used. Cocoa powder or nuts are carefully mixed into the batch. Each flavor is mixed separately to maintain purity and consistency.
Here, the freshly harvested bell peppers are flash chilled, ensuring peak quality and flavor.
Freezing and air incorporation. The ice cream enters industrial freezers. Here, it is frozen while being continuously churned. This process adds air into the mixture, making the ice cream light and smooth. The amount of air is precisely controlled to achieve the perfect texture. At this stage, ice cream becomes thick, creamy, and soft. Adding chunks and swirls. For special varieties, solid ingredients are added now. Chocolate chips, cookie pieces, nuts, or caramel swirls are gently folded into the ice cream. This ensures even distribution without damaging the ice cream's texture. Each batch is closely monitored for quality. Once hardened, the ice cream is automatically packaged. Machines wrap, seal, and label each product at high speed and with great accuracy. Packaging protects the ice cream, and provides important product information. Before shipping, quality control teams inspect random samples. They check taste, texture, weight, and appearance. Approved ice cream is stored in massive cold storage warehouses at extremely low temperatures. This keeps the ice cream fresh until delivery. From raw milk to frozen delight, every step is carefully controlled to bring you the perfect scoop every time. Next time you enjoy ice cream, you'll know exactly how much science, technology, and care goes into making it. Thanks for watching.
Our state-of-the-art machinery precisely scoops the vibrant strawberry ice cream into molds, ensuring perfect consistency every time.
We monitor the texture constantly right here at the vat.
It looks perfect, very consistent.